Morning, a fresh start, or just another day. Morning are the beginning of something new, something they are peaceful, sometimes they are messy, and sometimes they bring surprises. Yeah. Skincare is very important, so I was doing my morning skincare. I got this surprise which I didn't expect it at all. Now I can't deny it to stop this work because if I did, it bring unpleasant to someone else. So let's go. The little surprise I got is none other than rearranging and the shifting of beds. Yeah, beds. This Bhaiya came to fix this new bed in this room. It is bigger inside, so we are shifting this smaller bed to this another room and fixing it here and making this room beautiful. So it's all about fixing and the rearranging of beds. And maybe it's happened to change a little, rearranging to shift the energy in myself because I was lazy and depressed all this time. So I need to click this button to bring back my energy and feel energetic again. So maybe it happened for that reason as well. And yeah, I'm already exhausted, but anyways, in the end it feels different, lighter, like I have made room for something new. And then I got this parcel from New Me, and I didn't expect it will come so soon, but I got it. And see, this room is already done, it is completed now. And sometimes a little change is all we need. Sometimes the universe sends us a small surprise to remind us that we are on the right path and we are all right. So see you guys in my next video.